Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 20th to 26th of July, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. Alright, now so let's move on with your reading now from Aquarius 20th to 26th of July, please. Oh dear tarot angels, please help me find the answers. Okay, so I saw King of Pentacles, so working for your money I can see over here. Okay, let's see. King of Pentacles again. Okay, so a lot of money issues or working. King of Wands, King of Cups, all you are wanting all the kings right now, I guess. Okay. Alright, so are you inviting some kind of chaos in your life, Aquarius? There is something going on in your life. You know, like incomplete, you are feeling your life is incomplete, and that is actually bringing a lot of chaos, a lot of problems in your life. So you are working with a King of Pentacles but crossed by Seven of Cups. So I can see that you are working and you are actually, you want to become very stable, but you are actually trying a lot of things around you. You know, for some people who want money in their life, and they actually enter in a lot of things, a lot of places that I want. I can do the business, I can do the job as well, I can do some singing, I can do some this and that, and you just enter into so many things, but at the end nothing. So you want to become stable, you want to become rich, you want something very much, but you want it so fast that you are entering, you yourself are inviting problems in your life because of that. So let's see, because I can see you that because of entering in so many things, you might feel so much tired and so much restricted that you will not be able to do the things properly. So let's see. So the King of Pentacles clarified by Knight of Pentacles and Temperance. I feel that yes, you want some things really hard, you want those things to enter. I really feel that this is more of a money reading, career oriented reading, because I am seeing you that you are, all you are meditating. If you are even manifesting towards you, all you want is some balance with money, because you are struggling with your career, I guess, over here. Let's see what is the Seven of Cups. Strength and the Fool. So yes, so you are entering into, you are taking a leap of faith over here with the Seven of Cups and Fool, and you are just entering into whatever is coming up. Like whatever job is coming towards you, you are taking, okay, I'm doing this, I will do this as well. So you are taking a lot of responsibilities, the more you can handle even. So that is what you are doing, and you are not even listening to your inner feelings, that they actually, this thing is something which is you are not able to handle this thing. Basically, this is something, your mind, you are not able to control your mind, because your mind has started controlling you. That is what is happening. The balance is not there anymore. You are not able to find peace, because all you want is to gain money. All you want is, if this is a love relationship also, so for those people, you are, what you are doing, you just want that person no matter what. You just want him or her, and you are not even listening to your mind, your heart. They are trying to tell you something, but you are not listening to them, I guess. Let's see what are your subconscious energy with the King of Wands coming up. Subconsciously, what are you thinking? King of Wands with 5 of Cups and 8 of Swords. So yes, you are manifesting those energies which are actually not good for you. They will ultimately, you subconsciously, which you might not be aware of, but it will bring sadness and it will bring restriction, fear. If you are, you want that person, you want this work so bad, you want this job so bad, but you don't see the cons, the negative effects of this thing which you are wanting. Let's see consciously what you are thinking, which you know about already. Ace of Swords, the Chariot, and Queen of Cups. Okay, so I can see that you are in that mode where both the cards are of Cancer, so you might be dealing with a Cancer, or you might have Cancer in your chart. So you are into that mode where you just want to start this new thing, new ideas are coming up in your mind, and you want to move on with those new things, and your intuition, but you are not listening to that, I guess, because your mind is blocked, and you are wanting is how I want to finalize this deal, I want to finalize this work, I want this by hook or crook. You are manifesting that thing. Let's see your past energies with King of Cups. Three of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Yes. So I think that you started to work for something. You were into some kind of partnership for some people, and you were gaining money, okay, in that thing. And when you saw some growth, then you actually just hold on to that energy. See how closely this person is holding his coin towards his chest. See how this person is working for the Pentacles. He is trying to fix something. He is working really hard, and that you were doing. You are. I'm not saying that you didn't do well. You were doing very well. You knew that you can achieve anything in your life, and that is why you are more into that place where all you want is, I am close. I will not let this money go away. I will not let this person go away. But with this Four of Pentacles, what comes after that? Five of Pentacles. No contact, separation, it comes, and that is what you are manifesting, because you are holding on to it so tight that at the end this thing will finally leave. If this is a person, or if this is you as well, if this is money. So because you are handling so many things at one time that you are not able to, when they will start leaving you, you will not be able to understand what should I take and what should I give away. That is what is happening in your life, because I really feel there is a strong feeling that no people are involved over here. This is only you. Your mind is controlling you over here. And with a lot of fives are here. See, five with the Hierophant, Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles. When five comes, five is a very big indication that you really need to start analyzing things now. So it's before it's too late. Start analyzing some things. Whatever the problem is, start analyzing that thing. Okay. So let's see what are your future energies with Eight of Swords, the Star, and Six of Cups. Okay, so there is some kind of nostalgia. So in your future, I am seeing that you are realizing some things. With the Star card and with the Six of Cups, when you start thinking, Six of Cups is all about the memories. when you start thinking about the past incidents, when you will start thinking about some issues which might have created all this problem, so you will start analyzing. And that is what I was just telling you, that you should start analyzing, because 5 is there, and when 6 has already come up in your reading, that means you have analyzed that and you have taken a new step towards a good beginning. That is what you are taking over here. With this 5 of Pentacles in your energy, let's see what it is. 9 of Swords with 10 of Swords and 5 of Pentacles. This is what is coming towards you. Endings. Not able to sleep. Your hands are tied up. With 10 of Swords and 5 of Pentacles, those people. So there is one more thing with the 7 of Cups, that when you start attracting, when you are towards so many things, you actually stop thinking about those people or those things which are actually close to your heart. For some people it might be like that you are attracting money towards you so much that the people around you, they are leaving you. They are the relationships might be ending. Some people are leaving you, some people, or you might be leaving some people over here. You might be ending some kind of relationship, because let's see the people, the other environment cards over here. What are they telling us? Yes, so with the 4 of Wands, clarified by 4 of Swords and Queen of Swords, so the people are actually going away from you because there are some kind of arguments. I can see that because of that stubbornness which is actually entering in your life, there is something you are holding on to, and you are just not letting that thing go. You are not letting go of something. Might be some past incidents, and there are some people who are telling you that you should move on. Just stop thinking about those things. Move on and start a new beginning, but you are not able to let those things go because in your subconscious I can see that there is some kind of sadness there. There is something which you are thinking about, but you are not able to do anything about it. But that is actually, making you feel left alone at the end. Let's see what is this Hierophant telling us in the guidance messages. For some people it might be a marriage as well. So you are blocking yourself from a person who actually loves you, I can see, and you don't even know that. So that is something, is like you don't even know that some people are leaving you, or you might be leaving some people, but this gap you are not able to understand right now. So that is why the 5s are here to tell you that start analyzing this. And that is why in your future energy I am seeing that yes, you are thinking about those precious moments, see, with this person, with whosoever you were with, and you are thinking about that person. The memories are coming up in your mind, and you will start thinking that yes, people are important, other things are also important. Let's see 5 of Wands in your final outcome with the 2 of Cups and the Empress. So I can see there might be some kind of arguments at the end with the person with whomsoever you were dealing with, because a lot of heated arguments will be there. I can see that, but I can see that you will make that thing up. If that person will be like, I'll leave you, or I'll just leave you, I'll end this marriage, you will actually, you will regain that strength, and you will end everything in a good way, not in a bad way. You will take that person, you will just hold that person, and you will tell him or her that no, I love you. So that is what the conversation is very important. That is why I see you that you are analyzing. You have started analyzing many things in your life. So that's really good reading for you, my Aqua. So I really hope you liked the reading, and if you really liked it, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.